Imagine zooming deep inside everything around you, down to the atom. At the center, there's a nucleus packed with protons and neutrons. Orbiting around it are tiny electrons, moving incredibly fast. These electrons are the key to electricity. In most materials, they stay bound to their atoms, but in metals, some electrons are free. They can move from atom to atom. Now, when we connect a battery, it creates a force called voltage. One end pushes electrons away, the other end pulls them in. This difference makes electrons start flowing through the wire. That flow is electricity. As they move, they transfer energy. Lighting bulbs, drone, and powering every electronic devices that we use. So, electricity isn't magic. It's the controlled motion of billions of electrons, driven by energy from the battery, racing through circuits to power our entire world.